Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's lovely to have your company. Today we're looking at things we do in January and February to then prep our skin ready for the spring summer. So then there's no panic when we find that we've got to get our legs out and our toenails out or whatever, and you think, oh my goodness, my legs are really hairy, or you know, my skin's not prepped. So these are the things that I do during the winter months to help me feel that little bit more confident and that little bit more put together. So let's get started. So something that I've been really consistent with throughout the winter months is laser hair removal. Now I went to the salons years ago to have laser hair removal and I thought it was absolutely brilliant. It was when it first came out, actually. It was really expensive, and a lot of the time I couldn't keep up my appointments due to being self-employed, so it's always quite hard for me to make appointments. So I was looking for something for in the home that I can do at a time of day that suits me really. And so I've been using this particular device. It's by ULike, and it's brilliant. I got it in sort of September time, and I started using it consistently, and I've really noticed a difference. Now, I was finding that I was getting quite a few hairs, only little random hairs, but I was getting the hairs along the top lip and almost like a peach fuzz, and then also on my chin and sort of jowly area. So what I was doing was just shaving off that little bit with the dermaplaner, and then I go in and just use this across my top lip and also across the jowls. I also use it under my arms, which is brilliant. It's so easy to use, and all you do is press the button. It's got a cooling device on it as well, so it cools the area down, so it's not painful at all. But it's the results. The results are fantastic. So I've really been pleased with that. I've also been using it on my legs, my bikini line, really so that I'm ready for spring, summer, and also on my toes and my feet. These are random areas where we end up with hair. It's not fair, is it? I don't want it to be growing there. But actually to be able to use this and then not have to think, oh, I've got to shave, because with my job as well, I do have to make sure that I'm quite clean shaven all the time, and it's quite hard to keep up with. So this has been brilliant because it's sort of taken the thinking process out of my everyday beauty routines really, because then I use this and then I just feel great, and then you're almost forgetting, think, oh, I actually don't need to shave, which is amazing. So that's what I found, is that, you know, rather than having that 5 o'clock shadow, which actually I'm dark, you know, I really have struggled with my hair over the years, that then when I do shave, it comes back really quickly. And actually back in the day, my mum always used to say wax, and we used to wax our hairs a lot. I don't know if you guys did, but actually, and it did sort of, you know, sort of make the hairs relax and get a little bit softer, but they've always come back. Whereas with the laser, it's brilliant because you use it and then throughout the whole season, I won't have to think about it. So it's amazing. And then you just kind of top up. So I would really recommend that one. I will put the link for that below, and I also have a discount code as well for you, so I'll pop that below for you as well. Another product I've been consistently using throughout the winter months is the Besque body oil. Now I love this. It smells like a spa. It's absolutely gorgeous, but I've just been putting it on after I've come out of the shower. I actually do it right up onto my neck as well. And I've sort of noticed the texture on my neck has got a lot more supple, and sort of the lines have become that little bit less due to it, the skin being that little bit more supple. But I use it on my arms as well. I was finding I was getting quite crepey on my arms, and this has been brilliant, and across my chest as well. But it sort of just massage it in after a shower, and I've really noticed a difference in the overall texture. My skin is really dehydrated due to central heating in the homes and goodness knows what. But it's it's been really, really good. This has been a bit of a godsend to me. You immediately see that, you know, sort of the crepiness of dehydrated skin disappears as soon as you apply it. But then it seems to last as well. And also it's infused with so many, you know, sort of natural oils that it actually improves the overall texture of your skin as well. So I really love that. It's gorgeous. And then, as I've mentioned to you before, I use my Current Body LED mask. I really love this. I have sort of shown you this before, but it's brilliant because you just put it on, and I tend to use it at night time, so I just put it on and relax. It does come with goggles if you need to protect your eyes, but I find that my eyes adjust and I can sit and I can read and I just relax for 10 minutes. It's on a timer. I just put it on and I just feel like my skin feels that little bit more glowy, and it's got these LED lights, which I think we're all learning so much more about LED now and the benefits. So I've really noticed a difference with this mask as well. But it's like with anything, consistency is key. So if you are investing in any of these products, you've got to make sure you're going to use them and commit to them. And that's what the winter months allow you to do, allow you to take a bit of time for yourself. Christmas is over. We've finished, you know, sort of investing our time into everybody else, and now it's time to invest into us. So they're the sort of 3 key things that I've been doing in the winter months, and I'm going to keep doing ready for the spring summer. And then going on to makeup for you. Now I've got a bit of a find actually. Now this is brilliant. I did mention it a while ago. It's by Revolution. It's not expensive at all. I think it's about £10, but it's like a tint. It is a tinted moisturizer really. It looks quite thick to the consistency, but on the face it is, so it gives you that coverage. So I'm getting quite a bit of coverage, you can see there. I'm going to put it on, but honestly, it's just got a really nice lumosity to it. And it's really nice in those winter months when you do feel that little bit dull and you just want that lift to your skin. This gives a really beautiful glow. And actually, I went into, because obviously I'm always researching to help us along the way, and I went into Space NK and I chatting to the girls about a few of the products, and one of the girls said to me, what have you got on your skin, because your skin looks amazing. And I was like, actually I'm wearing Revolution, just this beautiful tinted moisturizer. And they were like, oh my gosh, well just keep using that. And I, you know, it's interesting, isn't it? Because there's so many products out there and it's just like choosing different ones. When you come across something like this, I've been really, really impressed with that. So obviously I will put all the link for everything below. But that is just lovely on the skin. Really nice. Just applied it with my fingers, nice and easy. And it just gives a really beautiful glow to the skin. So then I'd maybe suggest something like a cream bronzer. This is so good. Take it from the pot, but then pat it onto your hand. Just don't want to go straight onto the face because you can end up with a bit too much product. Just work it into the brush and then just pat it on and just give yourself almost that number 3, and it will just bring the skin back to life, because we do feel that little bit more sort of sallow and a little bit grey, don't we, in the winter months? But this is brilliant. I always work it up into the hairline so you don't sort of get that sort of gap, and always make sure you go down onto the neck and marry it all together and onto the ears as well. Don't be afraid, because you can, you know, if you feel you've got too much on, you can always clean up afterwards, but that just gives a lovely warmth to the skin. And there's some lovely cream bronzers out there at the moment. Really nice. Oh, and another thing I've been using is the UK lash. Now, this has been really good to grow my lashes. All you do is, before you put any other eye makeup on, is just apply it across the lashes. I tend to use it just before bed, so that then it can sort of go into my lashes throughout the evening, throughout the night. but I've really noticed a difference in the length of my lashes and the quality of my lashes really, and the fact that they're just a little bit thicker and a little bit longer. Really recommend that product, really enjoying that. And then applying a little bit of blusher. This is a gorgeous one actually. It's by Westman Atelier. Gorgeous, really nice. And just put it up and out. Now, when you're applying your blusher, just be very aware that as we get that little bit older, we get a lot of texture on our skin, and you don't want to draw attention to that. So the sort of rule of thumb, if you can think, I'll keep 2 fingers here, either side, and you can go anywhere you want, depending on whether you've got a more fuller face, you might want to go that little bit higher, but if you've got quite a narrow face, you might want to draw it down to make the face appear that little bit fuller, I suppose. But then just pat it in. But I would say avoid this area because we do get a lot of texture. So keep that nice and clean and clear, and then just pop your blusher on the outside of that. And then just pat away. You can always use the brush that you used before and then just sort of marry the products together, which is always nice because then it's sort of it's quite seamless. You can't really see where it starts and finishes. Everything is blend. It's almost like blend, blend and blend again. You can never blend enough. But this is great on the lips too. But it's just a really nice colour, lovely and soft. And I think that it just sort of suits a lot of skin tones, really lovely. And then if you want to, you can go in and tight line underneath. And if you're doing that, you just press up into the lashes, a little bit of liner, nothing too much. Just push it up into the lashes and it almost frames the eye and helps your lashes to look that little bit longer. Just gives that little bit of definition straight away, doesn't it? It's really quite amazing how it's a bit of a technique. If you do struggle, look into the mirror, tilt the head back, and then just lift up and then pop it in up under the lashes. Then using a mascara. You all know I love this tubing mascara. Just press down, give a wiggle, and then blink onto it. And then I always like to go over the top just to catch the very tips of the lashes and then go back up, give a wiggle and lift up. You can see it really does open the eye, doesn't it? Do the other one. And then finishing off with a lovely setting spray. That's a Mercier one. It's really lovely. It's got skincare in it as well. And also it's kind of got this blurring effect, which I love. So that's the lovely winter makeup that isn't too glam. It's just something nice and easy for the everyday woman when you're everyday out and about, quick and easy. That's what we love. It's all about keeping the skin nice and fresh, keeping the skin prepped and primed, ready for summer. So it's not just on the face, it's all over the body. I'm loving the laser hair removal device. It's absolutely brilliant. The oil, body oil is amazing too. And also the LED mask. But it's like with anything, any of these things that we get, it's consistency. You've got to use them to allow them to work. Give them that time, and during the winter months is the time to invest in you and give yourself that bit of you time, I suppose, and then you feel good, a little bit more confident, a little bit more ready to face spring summer. So I do hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please remember to like and subscribe. I will put all the links below for you, and I do have discount codes for you as well, which is amazing. So take a look at your leisure, and if you've got any questions at all, please do ask, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. Thank you.